Hello, my dears. Very good morning. How are you? We had started revision since last 2 days. Okay. So, in this way, again today we'll see some revisions. Okay. So, today we'll discuss from your prose book, chapter number 3 and 4. Chapter 3, The Little Girl. We'll talk about a teenager girl. Okay. And she afraid to her father. Okay. Her father was working. The name of the girl was Kezia. We'll learn the story of Kezia. She afraid to her father. Her father was working at a port authority. Okay. And she thought that her father is not good to her. Okay. And when she saw in her neighborhood. Okay. So she saw that Mr. McDonald always playing with their children in the park and spend his weekend with their children. Okay, with his children. So why my father don't want to spend his vacation or his holidays with me? Okay. So we'll talk about Kezia. Kezia is afraid of her father. Okay, always. She always afraid of her father. Her father goes to office um 11 to 5. Okay. So before leaving for office, okay, before leaving for office, Kezia in home didn't come to father's room. She didn't want to face father. She is keeping quiet. Okay. And she didn't talk too much. Okay. When her father ate home. Okay. But after leaving her father for office, okay, she feels free. Okay. She feels freedom. Okay. Up to when? Okay. Up to her father would not come from the office evening time. Okay. So then after coming to home after office, she again feels uh, unhappy. Okay. So she is afraid of her father all the time. Okay. And she thought that her father is not liking her. Okay. Sometimes her father is cold to her. Okay. Whenever her father's some belongings miss. Okay. So first they blame to Kezia and call to Kezia and scold. I have already told you not to touch my things. Okay. So like that, there is a story of girl Kezia. Okay. And Kezia makes a birthday gift for her father. We'll check. So in Kezia family, Kezia has father, mother, okay, and servant and grandmother. So she share everything with the grandmother. Okay. She tell everything to grandmother, and grandmother also wanted good relationship between a father and daughter. Okay. So she tries for that. She gave many idea to Kezia to be affectionate with her father. Okay. And if we talk about Kejia's father, so he is working in at port authority. Okay. So he was busy man. Okay. And he liked discipline. Okay. Why Kejia's father was strict? Because he liked discipline life. Okay. That's why. And when so that's why uh, he like discipline life. Okay. So Kezia thought that maybe her father is not liking to spend his time with her. Okay. And so like that happening in that house. Okay. And Kezia was afraid of. Kezia thought my father is like giant. Okay. Like a big giant. Okay. Who don't want her. Okay. Who don't want to talk to her even. Okay. And when something is missed in the house, so father always call Kezia and shout to her. Okay. And maybe he thought that maybe Kezia just missed the thing. Kezia put the things somewhere. Okay. And Kezia was instructed not to touch any belongings, okay, of father, because her father was a very busy man. Okay. And if we talk about neighborhood, so in neighborhood there was a man, there was a person. Okay, Mr. McDonald. And when she saw Mr. McDonald playing with his children in the park. Okay. So she feels unhappy. She thought, why my father um would not have time for me to spend, okay, at weekend. So she thought like that, okay. Then once it was the time of Kejia's father's birthday, okay. So before the birthday, her Kejia's grandmother just uh, tell to Kejia, if you want to make your father affectionate, so you just make something for his birthday, okay. So she was happy, and this time she wants to make something for her father as birthday gift, okay. So she do one thing. She was making pin cushion, okay. She was making pin cushion, and she stitched pin cushion from three side, okay. One side is still left, and now she has to put something in it, okay, for cushion. So then there were many papers. There were papers of father, okay. Father had to speech at port authority, okay, after 3 4 days. So father just put this very important paper in Kejia's mother room. So from the Kejia's mother room, just Kejia picked those papers. She didn't know about it, okay. The paper is most important, very important. So she just tear all the papers and keep in pun and kept in pin cushion, okay. And she was very happy because she will give this gift, okay. She made this gift for father's birthday, okay. So one day a commotion took place in house. One day father was shouting from morning, okay. Father was shouting to everyone. Then father called Kejia and asked Kejia, I think you didn't see my things, okay, because I have already told you not to touch my belongings, okay. But then Kejia just tell the truth that there were some paper, okay, but I don't know about it. The paper are important, and I tear and keep the papers in cushion, and I made birthday gift for you, okay. Then father scolded very hardly, okay, very rudely. Father scolded to her, okay, and she started crying, okay. And once one day Kejia's mother fell ill, okay. So then Kejia's mother and grandmother went to hospital, and mother had to stay for night. So grandmother also was there to attend her, okay. So Kejia was alone, and Kejia had a servant, okay, maid. Kejia had a maid. So then Kejia and Kejia's maid were alone in house, and father also, but father was at office. Evening time father would come, okay. Then what happened? Then she was all alone at house, and she just went to bed. She went for sleeping, okay. Then she saw a worst nightmare. She saw a dream, okay. In a dream she saw that a butcher, okay, with a knife. A butcher with a dagger means short sword, means knife. A butcher with a knife. A butcher was coming. There was darkness in her dream, okay, and a butcher was coming towards her, okay, and the butcher had a rope, okay. So when she saw this dream, okay, she was frightened. But as the butcher was coming nearly towards her, so she saw her father. Her father was there. Her father protect her. Her father just tell to her, don't worry, okay, I am here, don't fear, okay. So then she was very happy to see her father in her dream, okay. And her father just her father was there, okay. And her father just forcefully just run this man, okay. A butcher was coming with knife and a rope towards her, okay. So she was afraid, and when okay, she was afraid. Then she saw her father also in her dream, so she was happy to see father, okay. Father was there to protect her, okay. So then when her eyes open after this dream, okay, so she saw that father was sleeping beside her. Father was also sleeping beside her, and she was feeling relaxed to have father, okay, with her, okay. And she understand that now. She understood that father is hard, father is difficult, because father like discipline all the time, and father is like coconut, okay. From outside father is very hard, and from inside very tender, okay, like coconut. So now she could understand that father is always caring for her, okay. Father is always love to her, okay. Father has loving nature, and father always care for her, okay. And father also like her, love her, okay, because she is his daughter, okay. But she couldn't understand up to now, but now she could understand. When she was alone, father was there, father also was sleeping beside her, okay, so that she could not get afraid, okay. So now she understand about father, okay. And this is about the story, and her mindset, her opinion change, okay, about her father. So it was a story of teenager girl Kezia. Okay. We'll see next concept in next video. Thank you.